Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn about how to log into our Verizon employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Verizon employee account, what you can do is just open up your browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Verizon employee login. And after searching for that, it will take you to this page, and after coming up to this page, what you can do is just tap on the third option which says VZ Knowledge External Login. And after tapping on that option, now you will come up to this login page where you can log in your account. So to log in your account, what you have to do is enter your user ID and then enter the password. After entering your user ID and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you will successfully log into your account. But while you're trying to log into your account, if it shows you an error like invalid password, or if you have forgotten your password, you can easily change your password by tapping on forgot password option, which is beside the password. And after tapping on that forgot password option, you can easily change your password. And after changing your password, if you come back to this login page and try to log in your account again, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Verizon employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.